money remittance in one shape or another always existed. The earliest documented money remittance transactions happened in Egypt. The Egyptians had them, the Romans had them, the Greeks had them. The point is that moving money across borders is nothing new, but it's always been a lengthy process, a complex process, and a risky process. Even if we fast forward to modern times, I can remember when I was a kid and my dad never wanted to pay the bank fees to move money abroad. So whenever he would travel on business, he would travel with those those cash belts that were like stuffed chock full of cash. And we were always terrified that he'll get, mugged or lose the belt. And it was just a ridiculous concern that no one should have to deal with. And traditionally, a lot of these issues and concerns would also land on people that were already quite marginalized. So if you think of people that really depend on money remittance, you're talking about immigrants, you're talking about short-term migrants, you're talking about people that have to send money back to their families as a lifeline in many cases. So let's look at an example of Maria. So Maria is a migrant worker in the UK, and she wants to send money back to her family in Thailand. She wants to send £1,000 back to her family. Now, traditionally, Maria would have to go to a money changers, and she'd have to wait in line, and she'd have to fill out forms, and she'd pay a banking fee, and then she'll pay £20, and she'll pay a receiving fee of £20, and already £40 of that £1,000 just disappears. And even after she does all that, her family has to wait for multiple days to receive that money. Now for Maria, £40 is 2+ hours of backbreaking work. And for her family, £40 is 1,400 baht, which goes a long way. So for these populations, every pound that's lost in fees impacts their daily life. Now, fast forward. So lucky for Maria, things have advanced since then. And now we had the digital revolution, and the digital revolution impacted remittance in immense ways.